Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my July 2021 Boxycharm Premium unboxing. I am so excited about this because this is a big box and it is heavy and I can't wait to see what's in it. And this is actually the last of my monthly beauty subscriptions that I had yet to receive. So my regular Boxycharm unboxing and my Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbaggings are already up on my YouTube channel if you want to see those. And I'm also already doing my full dedicated review videos on the makeup products that I got in those boxes this month as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. So I'll be doing the same thing with all of the makeup products I get in this box today. So I'm going to resist swatching and all of that because I'm just going to save that for the videos. And of course, let me know if there's any products I get today that you are extra interested in seeing reviews on first. But so Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month. And I just love how much value I feel like I always get in Boxycharm Premium. It's only $10 more than the regular box. And I mean, the regular box is amazing value. I got $212 value in my Boxycharm regular box this month. So we'll see how much value I get in this box, but for $35, I feel like it's usually so worth it. But let's find out. Oh, so this is a collab, the Boxycharm Premium and Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills. See, I'm just like really bad at staying up to date on like Boxycharm news. Most people probably knew that this collab was happening this month, but I didn't know. But I also love to be surprised about these things. So this is really cool. It feels like a PR box. But so we've got product information here, and I guess that every product is probably from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I love that brand. So let's get into it. First, we've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. Ooh, this is huge. I am very excited to try this out. I think setting powders are essential, especially for my very creasy under eyes. So the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder retails for $38. So yeah, Anastasia Beverly Hills is not a cheap brand, so I think there's going to be so much value in this box. Next up, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. I feel like these are all going to work so well together. So it's like you got your mattifying setting powder, but then you can add back in that glow with this setting spray. And so the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Okay, I think it's just the packaging that's all glittery like this, but I love sparkle. So, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I love this packaging. Hopefully the setting spray itself is not too glittery, because as much as I love glitter and wearing glitter all over, I don't love like a glittery setting spray. So hopefully it's actually just like dewy, not sparkly, but we will find out. This has a retail value of $26. I wonder if everyone's boxes were the same. Okay, next up we've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shimmer Body Oil. Ooh. So like I was saying, I love glitter, but I don't love it on the face in a setting spray, but I do love glitter on the body. Oh, like exactly a product like this. So this, I can see the sparkle, very luxurious packaging with the glass. So the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shimmer Body Oil retails for $38. Ooh. Next up, oh my gosh, this is one of my all-time favorite products that I have repurchased. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to get this because I have run out of mine and I love this. I actually already have a full dedicated review video on this on my YouTube channel, and I will have that linked in the description down below if you haven't seen it yet, so that you can see how amazing this brow gel is. It seems like such a simple, not too exciting product, just a clear brow gel, but I love it and I just highly recommend it. But it retails for $22. So I'm really excited to get it in this box for such a great deal because this really is a product that I purchase usually from Ulta. And then we also have here the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in the shade Vegas. So much glowiness that I'm gonna get from all of these products. I'm so excited. Ooh, I see beautiful sparkle packaging again. Oh my goodness. Wow. I bet this is going to be so beautiful, sparkly, bright. Oh, I love those types of highlighters. So the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter retails for $25. And then wow, there's a box inside of this box. Yeah, this is pretty heavy. Ooh, is this like a giant palette? Oh my gosh. The Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what this looks like. Quite the unboxing experience. Whoa. Okay, this just seems luxurious from the feel of it. It literally is like a laptop. It's like plastic. It's like the size of a laptop. Oh my gosh. All right. The moment of reveal. Ooh. Oh my gosh. And this huge mirror. I love that. Oh my gosh. There are so many colors in here. Wow, this makes my eyes so happy looking at all of these beautiful shades. Like I'm going to do a colorful look from this. All of the purples, the hot pink, the sparkle. Oh my goodness. That just made this box so amazing. Wow. So the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1 retails for $60. Yes, this is a fancy schmancy palette. Wow, I don't think that Boxycharm has done a collab like this that I've gotten before. I think maybe right before I signed up, they may have done a Fenty one. So I love this. I hope they do this more often. This is an amazing box, an amazing collection. I'll do a recap of everything I got and let you know the total retail value. I'm so excited to see what that comes out to. Okay, so of course, we've got the Norvina eyeshadow palette, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter, clear brow gel, shimmer body oil, loose setting powder, and dewy set setting spray. And that brings us to a total retail value of $209. So seriously, amazing high value. But I did say that my regular Boxycharm box, which cost $25, I got $212 value. So I got a little bit more value in that box, but still such great value in this box here, and products that I am so excited to try out and wear and just have that glow. Oh my goodness. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products, what your thoughts are on them, if you have any tips for when I go to try them out. But wow, I am so happy about this. This was such an amazing box. I feel like I just got like the best Anastasia Beverly Hills PR box, but I mean, I paid for it, but I still got such an amazing deal. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.